So what I'd like to do then is I would like to start with sharing with you the difference of Heritage Auto Repair compared to companies all over the town. The difference is our mission statement. Who we are is built on the why we are. Why we are has the most incredible impact in who we are. Here's who we are. We do more than fix cars, we serve people. The idea of serving people transforms how we interact with every person that walks in the front door. Whether it's the person delivering parts or the person that's here to have a car repaired, it's a person. And we address those people with that level of value so that we can interact with them as people. The second most important thing is to understand that we are working with a team of people. Our mission statement includes to encourage and reward team members to be their very best every day. We value the people that we work with, and we value each other, and we look for ways to find the best in the people that we're working with every day.